Hey, let's get into some camera unboxing. Hi, welcome back to my channel. I'm Paulina. And today we're going to unbox my new camera. I've been wanting to upgrade my video gear for quite some time. Before I got this camera, I was shooting all of my video clips on my phone. And since I see myself making more videos in the future, I decided it was time to invest in some higher quality photo and video equipment. I spent a lot of time searching for the perfect camera at a good price. But I know it's never about the gear. As long as you have something to shoot with, you don't need a fancy camera to have top-of-the-line storytelling. Nonetheless, this is an investment that I wanted to make in myself and also in my channel. I settled on this Sony Alpha ZV-E10. It's a mirrorless vlog camera. Mirrorless meaning that it is a camera that captures images without having a reflex mirror or an optical viewfinder, aka a component that a photographer uses to shoot in front of the camera. Mirrorless cameras are often smaller, more compact, and lighter than traditional DSLR cameras. In addition to the camera, I also got this 128 gigabyte memory card and small tripod. I really liked that the tripod was sleek, compact, and had a flexible tilt option. It came in a package when I bought the camera, and I was excited to put it to use. This tripod includes a wireless Bluetooth grip and is compatible with most Sony cameras. I've already used it to film some footage that you'll see in upcoming videos. The kit also came with this SD card that's high performance and has fast write speeds. This whole kit cost me about $1,000 US. The camera with the 16-50mm lens was about $800. The additional 128 gigabyte SD memory card was about $25, and the rest of the accessory kit was about $100. Let me know in the comments if you think that this was a lot to spend or a little to spend on your first camera. Or maybe if you have a camera like this one, perhaps you have some recommendations for lenses. As you'll see in my upcoming videos, I hope that the video and audio quality is just a little better, and I'm excited to experiment in upcoming clips. Bye!